Hello, Leslie Irizarry Hogan of L.I.H Law PS, an immigration lawyer in Seattle, Washington. Today I just wanted to talk to you about breaking news. The U.S. consulates abroad have announced that they are going to reopen and resume processing of routine immigrant visas. So this is really good news. They've been closed since March of 2020 due to the coronavirus, the pandemic. And they've only been doing what they deem as emergencies for families of U.S. citizens or U.S. citizens. So this means that cases will start being scheduled, cases will start being moving forward. So it's really good news. It is not that they are all going to open at the same time. It is going to be country by country and based on country conditions. So the way that they're going to announce things is based on the website. So if you have a family member obviously processing through a certain country, then you would want to check that U.S. Embassy or Consulate's website to see when they are actually going to reopen, to then be able to figure out when the case will resume processing. So it is going to be a phased approach. So they're going to start with travelers with urgent travel needs, students, F1, M1, and certain J1s, some family of U.S. citizens, but remember that there are the presidential proclamations that are in effect, so that may affect who can actually enter the U.S. depending on what country they're from. So even if they reopen, if your family member is subject to that presidential proclamation, then they need to request an exception or else they won't be eligible if they're eligible for an exception. And each post will reopen and process case depending on their local circumstances. So, but they will resume adjudicating all routine non-immigrant and immigrant cases, but it will be sort of phased in, and obviously depending on the country conditions and what's going on with the pandemic in each country. So anyways, if you have a family member that you think that case has been on hold because the consulates have been waiting or closed, if you have been waiting on an interview, definitely can reach out to me, 206-838-7628, schedule a consult. We're doing everything remotely, so via telephone or WhatsApp, and we can talk about your family member's case that's living abroad and figure out what's going on and how to get the ball rolling again. So I'll also be posting a blog post soon up on my website, immigrationlawseattle.com, and that should be up within the next couple weeks with basically what I just talked about. But this is really great news. So give me a call if you need help or need some advice on what the next steps are in order to make sure that your family member's case moves forward as soon as possible. Have a good day.